today, again, just to show you. It's a really nifty gadget that I put together for my wheel. And this is like a foam, like a pool noodle kind of thing. This is an industry offcut that I picked up, and it's been slashed down the middle there. And this is what I use to put over the edge of my wheel to put my tools on. So I'll just show you what I mean. Just take this part off. So, what you're going to need you can get yourself a pool noodle, or if you can get one of these sort of things from an industry offcut place like Resource Rescue, here in Victoria anyway. But pool noodles are great and they're cheap, and you can buy a long one and then cut it up and then share it with your friends, you know, or your other fellow potters. Anyway, this one, if you just use one of these blade tools, you can make an incision in that, or a slash in that, and then just mark it with a pen so you know where you marked it, where you've cut it. And that then fits on your side of your wheel. You see that okay? Here we go. Sits on the side of your wheel, and then your tool just fits in there when you're throwing. And your other tools, for example, your needle tool sticks in there when you're working with it, and your blade tool if you're using that while you're throwing, your rubber tools and so on. All works really well, and it's really easy. Simple idea, very cheap and super practical.